Hello, second grade. We're about to get started on our spring week 10 art lesson. This time we're going to be looking at a new butterfly. But before we go any farther, let's look at some great examples of the painted lady butterfly that we did last time. There were a lot of really good butterflies, but you guys did some really good ones. This week you're going to need a pencil, paper to draw on, like your sketchbook, your STEM journal. I kind of wrote sketchbook twice, I guess, and then coloring supplies. Your second grade expedition information. Your guiding question, sustainability of life then and now. The connection, we are learning how to draw flowers and butterflies for a butterfly garden, which helps sustain the life of those pollinators. We can create artwork so that we can create artwork of a garden environment. Our learning targets. I can look for easy to draw shapes to begin my drawing, and I can add detail to make my butterfly look real. Now, in the big picture, art is part of the empathize stage in the design process. All of art. When we do things individually, we have different parts. Like when you're trying to draw something, it would probably be a prototype. When you're actually doing your art, it could be a test. But overall, art is empathizing because it's helping us identify more with our subject. Now, today, I'm going to give you a challenge. I'm going to be doing this with my face-to-face classes too. I'm going to challenge you to use what you've learned and draw this blue bottle butterfly all on your own. I'd like to see how you do the steps. I'd like to see what happens when you look at it. So let's go back and look at that picture again. So this is a blue bottle butterfly. I would like you to take a look at it and see, how is it different? What are some of the differences immediately that you notice from the painted lady to the blue bottle? There's some differences that are pretty noticeable, and there are some of them that might be a little different or a little bit harder to see. Take a look at the sizes of the wings. Take a look at the shape of the wings. How many wings do butterflies actually have? Look at the top wings and then look at the bottom wings and think about how their shapes are different. Now think about the colors. Is it all just black and blue, or is there more to it? There are lots of little different colors. And then finally, if you get done with this quicker than you're expecting, go ahead and draw your butterfly on something. You can draw him on this leaf. So I would suggest in your STEM journal, do a small drawing, the sketch like we've been doing of the butterflies. Then in your sketchbook, do your big version of the blue bottle butterfly. And I'm looking forward to seeing your pictures.